Why strong passwords matter.
Weak passwords are a major security risk. They can be easily guessed or cracked, putting your accounts and sensitive information in danger. Using strong, unique passwords for every account is essential to protect your digital life from hackers and identity theft. A password manager simplifies this process, making it easy to keep your information safe.
Choosing a reputable password manager.
Select a trusted password manager with a proven security track record. Look for features like end-to-end encryption, zero-knowledge architecture, and multi-factor authentication. Popular password managers include Bitwarden, 1Password, and LastPass. Research reviews and security audits to ensure your chosen tool is reliable and well-maintained.
Generating ultra-secure passwords.
Most password managers offer built-in tools to generate strong passwords, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Always use these generators instead of creating passwords yourself. Avoid common words, names, or predictable patterns. Aim for at least 12 characters to boost security. Let your password manager remember complicated strings for you.
Storing and organizing your passwords.
Once you generate a password, save it in your password manager immediately. Group passwords by categories such as banking, work, or social media to stay organized. Most apps let you add notes, tags, and custom fields for easy searching. Regularly update old or weak passwords and remove accounts you no longer use.
Staying secure with your password manager.
Set a strong master password for your password manager and never share it. Enable multi-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Always keep your app updated to patch security vulnerabilities. Back up your password vault securely and be cautious about phishing attempts that try to trick you into revealing your master password.